I'm going to show you how to use Norse Organics. This right here is a 60-day supply, so everything in here should last you about 2 months. I've been using it for a few months myself personally, and my skin has improved, and I'm just going to walk you through how I use this stuff and how you're supposed to use this every single day. So right here I have all 3 of the containers, and I'm just going to walk you through on how to use them, starting with the morning process. Now, as you can see, for the morning, you're just going to want to simply put this on. This is the Daily Glow and Moisturizer right here. It serves as a sunscreen and a moisturizer as well for your skin. And once you do this, you want to do this every single morning. You're actually going to want to pair this using the night. You basically want to put on the face scrub. This right here has like a powder type thing. It's all very good ingredients, but you can see you just want to pair this, put a little water on this in your face, and just scrub it around on your face. And after you do that, you want to just rinse it off in the shower or just the sink if you don't need a shower at night. And basically you want to moisturize your face after this, since this will dry out your face right here. And this right here is just the basic moisturizer that you just want to put on your face after that. And doing so before you go to bed. And personally, this one right here is my favorite. It's especially important to wear this in the morning. If you're going to do like one thing, do this like literally every single time, just because you want to moisturize and the sun will dry up your skin. And there's no sun protection just naturally on your face. So yeah, doing something in the morning is especially good. This has a bunch of honey and beeswax in it, so I personally love the smell of it too. But basically you want to pair it with the morning, and then you want to do the nighttime routine with these two. And that's all you need to do to use this. I've bought this a couple times, and personally I think it's pretty good, but it's not the greatest thing. It's always good to just try it out, and if it's not working for you, depending on your specific skin needs, then you can always change and find other things. They have other products too, but yeah, this is what I've been using.